So sorry for the interruption. Uh, we can go through the slides for this. So if we want to write code faster and more efficiently, we can supercharge our coding experience with the Microsoft Copilot. As Microsoft Copilot act as a personal coding assistant, and it speed up our workflow and help us to write cleaner and more efficient code. And as a preoperative error detection, Copilot's intelligent debugging capabilities can spot and fix errors in our code so that we can spend less time in troubleshooting. So in auto completion with intelligent Microsoft Copilot advanced auto completion feature, which suggests relevant code snippets and through which it can reduce our repetitive typing, and it definitely allow us to focus on problem solving. And in seamless integration, Microsoft Copilot integrates directly into our favorite coding environment, which make it a natural extension of our development process. So to discover the power of Microsoft Copilot, in innovative AI-powered assistance, Microsoft Copilot harness the latest advancement in artificial intelligence to provide us with a cutting-edge coding companion, and it will definitely boost productivity, in which we can experience unparalleled efficiency by leveraging Copilot's time-saving features from intelligent code completion to creative error detection, and in accelerate we're definitely coding, because when we face some challenges or some errors, so definitely Microsoft Copilot can resolve its error. So it unlocks new level of coding progress with Copilot's seamless integration, and it empowers us to write code faster with greater confidence. And it in coding solving challenges, it overcome roadblocks and tackle complex programming tasks with Copilot's contextual assistant and problem solving capabilities. So now to discuss its features and capabilities. In as it allows many features, but here we will discuss some important points. So in first, intelligent code completion, Microsoft Copilot advanced auto completion features provide us real-time suggestion and which help us to write code faster by reducing repetitive typing. As Microsoft Copilot includes the data enhancement so that we can improve our codes better. So in contextual guidance, Microsoft Copilot understands the context of our code and offers tailored explanation and recommendation to assist us. And in automated debugging, Microsoft Copilot error catching capabilities can identify and fix issues in our code, which definitely saves us time and frustration. And the large language model of integration of Microsoft Copilot, so seamlessly it integrates with popular coding environments, which allow us to access its features directly within our workflow. So now we will discuss the Microsoft examples of Copilot. So before this, let's discuss about some these real world actions of Microsoft Copilot. So in streamlined coding workflows, developers leverage Copilot's intelligent code completion and contextual assistance to write code faster and more efficiently to boost our overall productivity. And definitely it can accelerate learning for as a student. So we can use Microsoft Copilot to overcome coding roadblocks and to receive tailored guidance, and definitely we it can spend less time for debugging, which will allow us to focus on problem solving. And in collaborative project management, teams integrate Copilot into their development process, leveraging its AI-powered features to facilitate coordination, communication, and efficient task completion. And in data-driven insights with Copilot, data analysts harness the Microsoft Copilot natural language processing capabilities to extract meaningful insights from complex data sets, streamlining their analytical workflows. So, how Microsoft Copilot can boost our productivity? So, Microsoft Copilot is a game changer for boosting productivity. Its intelligent code completion and contextual assistant features help us to write code faster by reducing the repetition of the task, through which we can automate our debugging, and it can save time by catching errors early. So we can focus on the problem solving of the code. So other than that, seamlessly integration with our favorite coding environments, which makes a Microsoft Copilot as a natural extension of our workflow, which can leverage the power of AI. So Copilot empower us to be more efficient, so that we can write our code more cleaner and we can unlock new levels of coding progress. So let's discuss about the more productivity of Microsoft Copilot. So if we go towards the Microsoft Edge browser, you can see that here's a Microsoft Copilot. So this Microsoft Copilot has many features. So firstly, when you go towards the Microsoft Copilot, you can see directly this, and it also offers a Microsoft Copilot app, so you can also use it on your mobile phones. So in this browser PC, we can choose a conversation style. So as I love to use the creative style of Microsoft Copilot, so it's already chosen. So because definitely you can use the balance on more precise option. So for precisely, if you want, like you want some responses in very short time period, so definitely you can use the precise version. But in more creative version, you can definitely start an original and imaginative chat, so that you can get more better responses. And it definitely it also include the Microsoft Designer feature, through which we can generate the images by only writing the prompt as it's shown. So in Microsoft Copilot, we can also plan our vacation, and before going to any vacation, we can see the weather and its condition. So we can better plan our vacation through Microsoft Copilot. And in cook, so definitely it also includes cooking assistant and fitness trainer as well. So in cooking assistants, you can write any cooking techniques, and definitely it will be creative if you can search. And it fitness trainer, it can, and so in this fitness trainer, you can search that how you can improve your training in a better way. So you as like you go to gym or you do calisthenics or any home exercises, so you can track here the process, or you can search the importance, or how can you better the strength and training to routine. So now we can discuss the co-pilot features. So let's choose the creative version. So let me give example. As you can clearly see, I have written an example of a very simple code of Java. So we will test the capability of Microsoft Copilot, that will it resolve our problem or issues of our coding as a student or not. Let's say. So let's run this program that it is currently working on not less. It's currently working. So let's put an error. Now, yes, now we have one error. So we will resolve this. So just we will just copy and paste this like this. Now, uh, here we can, so here it is giving the suggestion. So we want only the written code. So let's paste it. So we have pasted the Microsoft Copilot code. So now let's run it. So here you can see that now our error has been resolved through Microsoft Copilot. So as I have given the very simple example of Java code, so I have also included a complex example. So let's move towards this. So this code is not basic. This code includes a Java database program. So it's very a complex program. Let's check with Microsoft Copilot. So first we will run this program, then we will sort out. So first we will check that this program run correctly or not. So here you can see the Java database is connected and it is perfectly running. Here we can write our name in database and like this. So now we can clearly see that this code runs perfectly fine. So I will remove any line. So for example, I will remove this line. Now I will save it. So let's run again. Now we can clearly see that this program has a error. So we will resolve this error through Microsoft Copilot. Let's say Microsoft Copilot will resolve this error of complex program of Java database or not. So let's copy all the code and I will just paste it here. Then I will write like resolve all the so let's say. So as it was a Java database program, so it will be a little bit longer than the previous simple program. So let's wait for so here it also suggests the changes which has been made by Microsoft Copilot. So we can clearly say, okay. So let's first remove the whole program. Okay, now let's copy the code of Microsoft Copilot directly. Now let's save it. Now let's run. Now you can clearly say that the now Java database is connected and the error has been resolved through the Microsoft Copilot. Even the code is a bit complex of Java database, and now our error has been resolved. So by this you can see the power of Microsoft Copilot, that how it improves our code, and definitely in very less time we can resolve the issues related to a code or anything. So I have provided two examples. So other than coding, we can also use, as a student, we can use in many ways. For example, I have an idea of LinkedIn. So in LinkedIn, I have posted like my event here. So we can clearly see that I don't have a hashtags related to this event. So we will get hashtags through the Microsoft Copilot, so that we can get the best hashtags related to our LinkedIn event. So I will copy this event, and then I will write like, let's say. So now here Microsoft Copilot has generated the best hashtags so that we can share our event. Okay. So if let's prompt in a better way. So remember, when you use Microsoft Copilot's prompts, do not write like without using concatenation or brackets, because when you use concatenation like plus symbols or commas between sentence in a prompt, so when you use this between a prompt, you will get a better response. Why other than like writing like this. Do not write prompt like this in a Microsoft Copilot. I will recommend this because when you use the concatenation or other brackets like this, you will write a prompt in these brackets or commas or use concatenation. So you will get better results. So let's let's write this. So I want to post the hashtags in a paragraph form. So I'm rating this. So let's see. So here it is. Here it includes the hashtags with a paragraph form. So as we want only the hashtags. So let's write. So here we get the output which we need. So let's see. So like this, you can improve your LinkedIn post by using the Microsoft Copilot like this. Then you can save it for better response. So these are the three examples which I have included. So examples of Microsoft Copilot. You can definitely check out the Microsoft designers and others. So I have included the event, for example, this as it includes the image, add an image option. So you can definitely add an image if you have. And so you can ask the Microsoft Copilots for changes. Let me ask. Let's say it can improve this image of our event or not. So currently it is analyzing the whole image. So it will take little bit time. Let's include in Microsoft Designer directly. Let's write in commas. As Microsoft Copilot Designer feature is for especially the designing capabilities. So here, so it's currently analyzing the image. So let's see what it responds. Let's change the prompt in a better way. As we haven't included that provide us the image, so we now we have written clearly. So as in previous prompt, we did a mistakes like we only written this like convert into a 3D model. So here it has written the instruction. So now we want the images related to this. So let's say so now it has included the suggestions. Now, as we have got the suggestion, now it has created these images related to the Microsoft Copilot so that we can use these pictures to our event related to this. So we can add directly into the design Microsoft Designer tool or through any tool. So let's get back to the slides. So guys, we have now evaluation form and Q&A related to this event. So in short, this presentation was a valuable to you guide and it met your needs. So please take a moment to fill out the evaluation form as your feedback will help me to improve for future sessions. I will provide the link of evaluation form in the chat box so that you can fill it to become eligible for e-certificates. And guys, furthermore, I welcome any additional comments or questions you may have. So please don't hesitate to speak up during the Q&A session. Let's start. Guys, you can raise the hand or ask in the chat. No, it is little bit different because when we use the Microsoft Azure platform, we get the Microsoft Copilot feature, but it is little bit different, but it has the same capabilities as Microsoft Copilot. No, Microsoft Copilot cannot be integrated to VS Code. We have to use some extensions so that we can improve our code. So let me put the evaluation form link in the chat box. So guys, you can fill the form of evaluation and you can ask any queries related to Microsoft Copilot. Guys, you want to share my MLSA community member journey? Yes, definitely you can write the Python code. As I have explained two examples, one of the simple like this simple Java program, and then I have included the complex code of a Java database program. So I have to just provide the basic examples. So you can use any language you want. But remember, I have shared some suggestions like do not use the prompt in Microsoft Copilot. When you use the prompt, remember you use the concatenation, you use the brackets between the prompt, or you can use the commas for the better response. So guys, have you filled the form? Uh, Copilot for data structures and algorithms. So for data structures and algorithm, Microsoft, you can use this feature as I really love to use. Let's wait. Mm, Here it is Microsoft Copilot. So for data structures and algorithm, I will suggest you to use more creative option for Microsoft Copilot, as I always use this because it includes more creative output. So when you use, for example, data structures and algorithm output, you can use must like in concatenation form so that you can get better results. So in note, it also includes a notebook feature, so you can write the detail prompt. So you will get here. Abdullah, your hand. You want to ask some question? Guys, you can fill the form, so you can write in the chat box that it's done. Oh, okay. So finally, guys, fill out the form so that you can get the e-certificates and email after the event. So it's must for the e-certificate. Kindly write in the chat box so that I know. Okay, good. Well, you can react here so that I can elaborate more about the journey of MLSA, or we can exit the event after the form. You first have to fill the form, which I have included. Let me you have to fill this form in order to get the e-certificates and email. Yeah. So guys, for my MLSA journey, it's been a long time. You have applied when for MLSA, I have applied on probably like 20 after applying for Microsoft Ambassador. I did my path completion. Then I did join the Discord community. Then for the Microsoft program, as I am a Microsoft and student ambassador. So for this program, I have created my community, especially on LinkedIn, so that I can get more impact. So after completion of 4 months, I got the acceptance of Microsoft and student program in 17 April. Uh, yes, yes, there could be two or more ambassadors from the same university. So you can, I will suggest that you can apply for Microsoft ambassador program. So you can get benefits too. Even your whole class can also become a Microsoft ambassador. Okay, let me share my LinkedIn profile link. So here's my LinkedIn profile link. You can check out. I know Microsoft ambassador program is little bit difficult to do, but when you have a big community to support you, definitely you can become Microsoft ambassador. I got more motivation when I see on other campuses that they are currently Microsoft ambassador. So I applied. So I hope so, guys. You have filled the evaluation form for application. Uh, let you can write like, let me give you example. So yes, it's currently on the top. So you can search the Microsoft Ambassador Program website portal. So here we get the application program, that what to expect about Microsoft Copilots. And here are the Microsoft Ambassador Program milestones. So as currently I'm a Alpha Microsoft and Student Ambassador. So here is in Microsoft official website, we have a Microsoft Gold Ambassador. So it's a big opportunity for Pakistan. to in a representation of Microsoft official website. For the let's say in the 2 minutes video. Yes, definitely. You can share your achievements. It will be a big plus. So when you apply for Microsoft Copilot, don't you can definitely include your achievements. So you must add your projects or what you in what technology you are currently interested in it and why you are applying for Microsoft Copilot. So they need all types of information. So you can check it out. So if you have any query, you can directly search me on my LinkedIn. So I will resolve any issue related to the Microsoft issues or any other. So I hope so, guys, that till you have completed the form. Have you any question or not? Bushra, you can directly contact me on LinkedIn. I will explain more elaborative form as I have given the link. Rupam, okay. Okay, Rupam, let me open your mic. Yes, Rupam, now you can speak. Uh, Rupam, have you question? Then you can ask any query related to Microsoft Copilot or MLSA program.